We're going to Hurricane Harbor today. Just a few things before the video starts. Make sure you stay hydrated. Make sure you wear sunscreen. And you can buy food outside. Just bag it in your own bags. That way you can get it in the park. They won't allow any outside food unless it's bagged properly. Alright, here we go.
Wow!
Everybody has their own cards, season passes, works for both parks. Are we all ready to have fun?
Yeah! We're all ready to have fun at Hurricane Gerber.
Hurricane Gerber. Alright, let's go. About my chain, but I didn't know where my glasses were, and my hat had fallen off, and I didn't even realize that my shades were still on my face. This bottom's gonna drop out. 5, 4, 3. One more time?
2 minutes.
Awesome. Cool artwork up here. Why are you always backwards?
I don't know why you're always backwards.
Again? Alright, so there you have it. Again, we had a lot of fun. We all would definitely recommend going. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. We'll probably do another video on Hurricane Harbor next year, and we might even go to the Great Wolf Lodge. We got tons of adventures for you, so make sure you subscribe, even hit the notification button. Thanks for your support. Have a good one.